With Lab Advanced, it is easy to upload your images directly into your project. You do so by first clicking on the Image tab in the left menu and then selecting Upload Image. This opens your computer's file browser, where you can select the image you would like to use. You can then find your image in your image library. If you are using a responsive template, then you can add your image to the page by dragging your chosen image onto the page. The image will automatically scale to fit alongside existing content. You can then resize the image by clicking and dragging the content resizing line to the side of the image. When working in a fixed layout, drag your image from the image library to your chosen content block. You can change the scale of the image by clicking on the Change Image Scale tool. You can access your image library from the Lab Advanced dashboard from the left menu. Here, you can organize all of your images into folders, and you can also upload new images. To move an image, you can simply drag and drop your images into a folder. To access these images in your project, you can search through your folders in the image library using the drop-down menu.